Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to Tear Down. We're doing the campaign mode in Teardown and going through the storyline. And at the let's see, last episode, we earned a shotgun. That should be interesting. Let's see what's going on here. So he wants us to. This is Gordon Wu. We've been working for him, doing some fairly shady teardown jobs. And so uh, looks like he wants us to take out some cars. Lee's about to put some cars on a ship overseas. Can you help me acquire these 2 gems? So I have to steal 2 cars from the marina. Classic cars. So we've been. There's 4. What's that mean? 4. Is that 4? What if that's 4 objectives? So let's just pay attention carefully to the map as we here we go as we head out. Oh, controller. Let's take a look. Speaking of map, let's take a look at that. So, primary targets. There are 2 primary targets: car in warehouse, car on ship, and then we have secondary targets: documents in office, spare parts in warehouse. So I think what I need to focus on here is probably secondary. So there's 1 yellow. So breaking an alarm box or wire triggers the alarm. Can I go over here? So here's another one. So 2 yellows. Oh, plus there's, I'm guessing that arrow is um, that arrow right here. Boink. Warehouse, office, upper floor, spare parts. Okay, so there. So I'm going there anyway. Oh, I can zoom out. Zooming out. Zooming out helps. Yeah, okay. So the other one is right there. So let's go. Let's do that first. That's kind of off by itself. Let's head that way. And if this looks familiar, it should, because this is the same marina where we just were. So we're going to head in and grab whatever it is we need to grab here. Everything seems to always be upstairs, but we want to also just, we want to look around for, so probably bathrooms. Yeah, I've been here before. We want to look around for treasure, collectibles. I don't think there's going to be any. We have already been here. Let's head upstairs and check all the offices. So looking for a documents of some sort, I think. Documents in office. Yeah. So we're looking for documents. Oh, so there's the wire that we don't want to pick up target. How do we do that? Wait a minute. If possible, also pick up spare parts and vehicle registration documents. Breaking an alarm box or wire triggers the alarm. So how am I supposed to get those? Gosh. So now, really, 60 seconds? That's awesome. So how in the world? Okay, well. So now we have to go. How? There's no way. There's no way. I'm not really sure. This is going to be another one of those. No. So I'm guessing that one I have to do at the end. Because in 30 seconds they're going to come and get me. So let's just jump, and jump. So, okay, so that one has to be last. comes the helicopter. All right, so my strategy not so great. Yeah. So at least I can restart. So all right, well here we are, and now we know. Now we know. All right. So that's going to give you 60 seconds to get that and get out. Um, let's see. Last time I jumped right. Didn't I jump? I did. I jumped. Woo! Like that. Okay. There we go. All right. Let's check the map again. So we are last path, best path. Okay. So two things there. I'm worried that, well, let's just don't. It's fine. Keep going. We do need to get over that. So let's jump, jump, and jump. And we're going to have to jump over here. So it helps having done previous missions for sure. Oh, this is where this is it's the exact same place where I struggled last time because he's just not much of an athlete. He just can't do it. Oh man, it's just that little stepping stool right there. Boink and then okay, run, boink. There we go. Okay. And we kind of know where everything is now. I'm surprised I can even oh, surprised I can even get in. It seems like they would have quadrupled there. Careful floor. Okay. Oh, hey, over here. See, that's what I was afraid of. If possible, he said. If possible, I would say it's not very possible. So there's the car. It's a nice car. It's got a little classic car going on here. Oh, did I break the roof? Oh, also looks like there's an alarm system connected to the car. See that? Interesting. All right. Well, all right. Now, what do I do with the car? Is there an escape plan? Is there a boat? Is there a ship? What do I do? Um, drive them to the marked area at the back at the back of the truck. Right here. Okay, nice. Okay, number one cleared. Oh, the alarm went off because the car got loaded. That's not gonna work. Now there's one on the boat, but I'm not gonna have time. There's no way. Hmm. Well, how about that? The helicopter. Ooh, that's cool. The helicopter is gonna come get me. I at least need to look and see what's over here. Okay, it's a Jeep. And how do I get it? What do I do with this? How do I get it out of here? Off the boat? Well, make sure to plan properly. So, Yeah, this is another one of those tricky, timed. So let me think this through. Um, I'm a little more worried about um, the Jeep on the boat. How am I going to get that even? Oh, can I drive the boat? Probably drive the boat. That's what I'm thinking. Drive the boat. Okay. So there's definitely some strategy here, obviously, and I love that. It's more than just mash stuff. It is a definitely a thinking game. Um, is this open? No. Oh, it does open. There's no reason to do that. So what I'm thinking is I can probably drive the boat. I didn't even think about that before. Yep. Okay. So I can drive the boat. Now, what does that mean? Can I just drive it over to another dock? I don't know. I need to be able to drive off the dock, off the boat. This is cool. Being able to. I have to remember these are all pretty much Legos, so I can't just drive like it's a real boat. See, it's gonna take off parts of the ship. Oh, I think that is actually a place where I could. Let's do this. Yes. Okay. Let me out. Let me out. How do I get out? Well, that's how I. No, that's me driving. So how do I get out? That's weird, right? Um, everything is a challenge, including. Wait, wait, door. Oh, maybe I can. What was that dumb open thing? The door is opening, but I should just be able to walk through it or push through it. Okay. All right. Let's go drive the Jeep. Oh, it's gonna set the alarm off though. See that? So how do I 60 seconds to do so what I'm thinking is you have to set it up so you can quickly let's look at the map again. If I park the boat, well, the truck, that Jeep's gonna have to drive both of them to the marked area at the back of the truck. So I have to get closer. And I'm gonna have to drive both vehicles. How am I gonna get that one though? Oh, that one's in the truck also. Right? So park them. Okay. I have to be closer. So there's got to be a way to. I need to be right by my. Yeah, I need to be right. Whoa. Okay. Why is my Why is my boat leaning? Why is my boat sinking? Oh, this game is great. It's really cool. I mean, I like it so much more than I hate to say it. This could be my Minecraft. This whole. Um, oh my gosh, look at this. This is awesome. I'm not gonna make it. I was hoping I could back right up. Yeah, that's great. That's so great. Look at that. That's so great. And this is where I don't even know where to get out. So pretty much. Oh, there we go. I didn't drown. but the Jeep is underwater. I'm surprised the alarm didn't go off. The Jeep. Where's the Jeep? Jeep's history. Jeep is. Oh, it's right there. But why didn't the alarm didn't go off? So that's interesting. It like short circuited it. So maybe that's a strategy. Well, all right. Gonna have to think this one through. I don't think I'm going to finish this one in this episode, so I've got some thinking to do and some strategy. I love it. If you want to pick this game up, it's called Teardown, and it's absolutely worth it. And there's just a ton of stuff to do, more than just the campaign. Lots of mods. People are creating their own stuff. Just a ton of stuff out there. So I'll catch you next time when I will have a little bit better strategy and hopefully be able to finish this mission. Catch you then. For now, though, Mr. Johns is out.